Ato kog Manila. Oh, hi guys. First na to buhaton. Lol. Bakit manggod ko? Wait lang. So, akong unahon sa day. Kay nawala man to day. Ari sa day kay wala mo gusto na sa kuwang balas. So, ari na siya.
Ibat the best. Ibat ka. Ibat.
Okay. Ay, oh yeah.
Ibat tayo. Ibat ka.
Go na te. Ipasa. So, next na po ta sa tong. Ay, ano na to day. Magpa-powder na ka. Nakadukan, bito day ka na mag-powder na, Jod.
Magultas ako tayo. Tay.
Utat day, unya na day. Okay, mag-makeup ako day. Are na day. Ako ito siya i-blush kay. Nandiyo po i-blush na siya day ka. Baga ang face day. Tapat, marena ta pura day. Ano ka diri day dito ka pikas day. Ala day, bombang cheres. Asa day, itang day. Are, gaya ka siya sa 0.2 day. Ito day. Lang day. Ara day day katong isa day. Are day siya 0.2.
Bang 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 bang.
I tried to trip him and he killed me. Come on, bro, you got this. You got this, boy. I'm healing slowly. I almost died fully. Holy. King, don't you dare, bro.
Ala day, nakaksida ko. Mag-makeup na parang horror. Ito basura day. Ha? Yes. Wala mo kay kuto day. Kukas day. Lagi ako sa face. Tantayan. Walang bariat sa ano day. So, na-blend na siya day. Kulay ito. So, i-blend sila akong lips. After 10 minutes, so, alin na akong lips. Wapa siya na-blend lang. So, alin day. I-blended siya day. Oh. Na-blend na! This mark the page. Malik body. Come on, come on.
Get out of here, bro. You were
Iwan.
tired.
Wait lang.
We survived. Luckily, that guy helped me out. That was really nice. Look at me, bro. I got the gritty. Hey. Hey.
Guys, di ba ko guys? Di ba tayo?
This right here.
Masuk yung mata na ha.